Alright, so let's say you have a big condenser microphone and you would like to connect it to your smartphone, but the microphone has a 3.5 mm plug. Now what do? First of all, you will need a USB sound card, and if the sound card doesn't have a USB-C connector, you will have to get a USB-A to USB-C adapter or dongle. Now connect the microphone to the mic input of the sound card, and then connect the sound card to the USB-A to USB-C adapter. You should have something like this. Now all you have to do is connect the setup to your smartphone. You can record voiceovers with a setup like this, and sometimes you can even use it on your camera. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.